All right, so getting ready to go into the night of August 7th and then into the day of August 8th. Trading here in the futures market with the prop firm Topstep. So, and just for those of you who have not seen my earlier videos, I am not paid by Topstep to make these videos. I don't have an affiliate link in the bottom. So many channels you watch on YouTube are like, they'll tell you all this great stuff about the prop firm that they're talking about, and they won't give you any of the negatives. And then they'll be like, oh, and there's a link in the description below if you want to get an account, so that they can get commission and get the profit off of telling you about it. So I don't do that. Everything I'm me promoting Topstep or any other prop firm or saying good things or bad things or whatever. So, but so far I love Topstep. I think they're fantastic. I don't actually know why you would go with anybody else. They're a really easy prop firm to trade with. But I'm going to do a video. I've been trading with them since October of 2023. So in October this year, I'm going to do my 1-year review of Topstep. And I think it's going to be a bit interesting because I'm going to talk about stuff that I haven't seen anybody else talk about, and Topstep doesn't really talk about it on their website, but it exists. So we're going to go into a bunch of that kind of stuff in October with the 1-year review there. But right now you're looking at my live account with Topstep. I traded through their combines, blew up a bunch of combines, got into an XFA, blew it up, got into another XFA, got on the right path, did what I was supposed to do, followed my rules, followed my plan, didn't concede or trade, didn't get emotional and move my stops and like all that stuff. Just did what I was supposed to do, and passed through that XFA with really, I don't remember, it was like 83% winning days, something like that, and like 83 or 85% winning trades, like some really high statistics. And I was just really on a good streak for a long time with them, took some payouts, and then they ended up moving me into the live account. And that's what you're looking at on the screen right now is my live account. My first 2 days of my live account was a disaster. Almost blew up my live account, lost more than half of the money I started with in my live account because I took a payout going into live. So then my starting balance was less than what I had when I was in my XFA. But basically almost blew it up. Went down by half in the first 2 days. Had to grind it out, recover my live account, hit some max daily losses. After those max daily losses, I had to go into trader rehab, recover my live account again, and then grow it, take payout, almost destroy my live account again. So it's kind of been a roller coaster for me in my live account. And right now I'm back in trader rehab, and I'm going to grind back out of it based on my trader rehab plan, and then get back on the green, take some payouts, and then I'll probably almost destroy it again because that's the trend that I'm in. So right now, my live account, I got $4,527 in there. I have 54 days that I've traded in it with 80% winning days. But my trade stats, trading with the YM, let's go to the YM, has been 66%. My average winning trade, 66%, which is not great. I've traded with a 1-to-1 risk reward. With a lot of trades I get more than 1-to-1, but my starting basis is looking for a 1-to-1, and then I'll squeeze some more out of the trade. But still, when you got like a 1-to-1 or one, you're risking 1 to make 1.2 or 1.3. 66% is not a great win percentage. It's very difficult to make money with that. So I need to be like up in the 70% range to make money. So I got to fix that. It's going to take a while because there's a lot of trades that made it what it is. But anyway, that's where I'm at with my live account. And then I have my 50K combine, which we'll go look at right now. Okay, so since I've been trying to add some more tickers to my roster, so I only trade the YM, the Dow Jones, in my live account. So I want to add the NQ to it. But first I want to pass it through a combine, an XFA, prove what I'm doing with the NQ. I think different tickers trade differently, so sometimes they require different attention. I want to make sure what I'm doing is right. So I want to pass through the combine. This is my second go at my NQ combine to try to get it into an XFA and into live account. I already did one through and got into an XFA and then blew up that XFA in like a week. So this is my second go at the NQ right now in the combine. So right now I'm at $51,143. I need to make $53,000 to pass this combine. I was almost there, and then I got dumb and made a bad trade and went max loss on a day, DLL $1,000. This is 50K. I can only lose 1,000 in a day, and I did that. So that's why you see this graph tanking. It was looking good. We're gonna pass right here, and then no, you're not. So anyway, that's where that is. And then I have my casino combine. that I renew. If I blow it up, I wait till like the week, end of the week, and then renew it. And that's my fun combine. If I'm feeling the temptation to make a trade that I shouldn't I make it in the casino combine. I was just doing it in my sim account when I had that urge, but there was no reward in it. It was almost felt like a waste of time. So I started a combine specifically for my casino trading, so that if I have that urge and I'm like, man, I know it's going down, I should get in, that I don't end up doing it in my other accounts, and I can stick to the plan with those and then use my casino account to make those trades, even though sometimes I still do stupid things in my live account or my actual combine that I care about. The casino account's been awesome to be able to just switch over, do those dumb trades there, no expectations, but with the potential for rewards. It doesn't feel like a waste to do it. So it's pretty awesome to have that thing. I love having that casino account. Eventually I'll do a combine for gold, and I'll trade gold all the way through, and same thing. And then once these XFAs get in and they're profitable enough, I'm doing everything right in them, the Topstep will move that money into my live account, and that'll add to my live account balance. So that's kind of what the plan is, what's going on right now. And you can see I have 4 days complete in this new combine, 50% winning days. And right now I'm doing good. I'm halfway to my target. I only got 4 days complete. My first day I had a $9 loser, so that's why my stats are only 50% winning days right now. So, all right, everybody, let's see what happens tonight. Hopefully we can make some money. Maybe we can get close to passing the combine and continue growing my live account out of Trader Rehab. Okay, here we are in the evening session of August 7th. All right, in the trades. All right, so I just realized I'm in the NQ and not the MNQ. That's kind of scary. So let's see if we can get a little more in the profits here, right? In NQ, yeah. And maybe just start protecting my trade right away. Maybe I get lucky on this trade. But right now, I mean, look at my stop is like hundreds of points away. That's like, there's no way. I'm, $1,000 max loss in a day. That's why I said my target with 2 contracts would be about $800. But that's not the case now. So let me remark this up a little bit. Horizontal line. So at 50-point move is pretty much 75 is the most I can do on the day. So we're looking at right around here. All right, so now we're up $300 already in this trade. Going to start looking to protect this trade because I do not want to have a max loss day in the evening here. In the 5-minute, looking at 30-minute candle right now. It's a lot of green candles on the chart though. Maybe I should just take this trade off. Let's look at this again. All right, look at all these green candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, red candle's coming, and that one red candle will blow my account up. So 60. All right, let's get out of this trade here.
Order filled.
All right, so out of that trade, I'll take my 64 cents. Could add $250, $300 in profit. It's a 30-minute candle. It's going to close in 10 minutes. Red candles are coming. They have to be. I mean, look at this. Right? They have to be. We're in a rejection zone. I mean, I could probably short this next candle actually coming up. We're in the resistance area. Couldn't get through there. Man, I wish I would have took that off up here. Whew, I'm glad I noticed that just now, traders. This could have been a bad night. All right, ready to go for the next candle to open here in 3 minutes. I got my orders in to get short and then pull this down to capture real fast. Or if this thing boosts really quick to the upside, I'll go that way too. This is the first attempt at getting through this major support area. Should get some good rejection out of it. Man, I'm so bummed I didn't short this candle. I'd be done trading $1,500 for the night. Be awesome already. Sometimes when you think about stuff too long, market leaves without you. Okay, got a minute and a half left, and then I'll move my short order up to the bottom of the candle. Just in case it opens and goes straight green, I want to make it come down to me a little bit. Closing below the first green. If it wants to get below.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in. Man, look at that slippage though. That's not good. All right, this could be a bad night. Should have been in up here, and I got 7 points of slippage. It's a lot when I can only do about 50-point move to the downside. Oh boy. With a limit order, if it did that, I just wouldn't have gotten filled. That spike wouldn't have filled me, which is what I should have done there. All right, we'll see if we can hold on for the new candle to open, and maybe it dumps. Maybe not. Might be self-destructing this XFA. Or not XFA, this 50K combine for NQ. Might have to start over. You can only lose $2,000 in the account. So basically once I get to 50,000 something, this account will blow up. Oh, I didn't even think about that. So I am on the verge of actually blowing up my account. I keep getting to the mindset of I have a buffer. I've made $2,000, so now I can lose $4,000, right? Man, I'm going to blow this account tonight. I'm going to need some luck. Need to get lucky here. See, this would be the place to get in. So I was waiting for this candle to close, and I was going to put my order in right below there. So if it dropped, I'd be getting in the trade up here, looking for the move down, and then it spiked me right before it closed. I should have had a limit order in, so it can't do that. Or most likely wouldn't do that, I should say. Like it could spike through, but if it goes through fast on a limit order, usually you don't get filled. When it goes through slow, you usually get filled, and that's a good sign. Yeah, I'm going to blow this account for tonight. Wow. Just like that. About to pass my combine, and then I blow it up in a casino trade. So this last 3 days have just been dumb trading. Dumb trading these last 3 days. That should be my new channel name, dumb trading. Let's get lucky. What's going through my head right now is I'm thinking, do I just get out and take the $500 loss? Don't blow up the account. Then again, I'm at like 50,600. So if I blow up the account and I have to start over, I'm starting pretty much from right here anyway. So I guess it doesn't really matter. I just go for the ride. We had the red candle. Now we're looking for a green candle. Break higher. Off to the races for NQ. Gosh, so dumb.
Connection lost.
All right, connection lost. That's not the right time to do this, Ninja Trader. Why is connection lost? This is not the right time to do this. I don't even have like a target order in to... Oh, man. At least I'm not on my live account, I guess. All right, so I'm trying to reconnect. And it's not letting me. Here you can see. Connection, Topstep 50K, nothing. All right, let me restart. Let's restart Ninja Trader and see what happens. Okay, so it looked like my internet glitched out. I'm back up looking at Thinkorswim. Things look really good right now, and I'm still not able to get back into Ninja Trader. I still got a yellow ball. I'm not able to get in the Ninja Trader. Right now, I could be out for profit right now. Probably like $500 profit. Come on. Okay, so here we are. $361. All right, so good deal. So I'm getting lucky. All right, I got that distraction. Now let's see. What are we at? 30-minute candle. Let me go switch over to... What do we got here in a 5-minute? Ooh, nice breakdown. Coming down to the support area, though. Let's see what the 1-minute candle looks like real quick. 1-minute candle. Ooh, not a good sign. Okay, where's my stop? Right here. So break even, 94. I'll take, give it a little room to breathe. If this wants to go green, then I'll be out. Hopefully it doesn't boost so fast that I get slippage and I take like a $500 hit. All right, we're going to start trailing candles now. Let's see where this thing goes. We're on the 1-minute candle right now.
Order filled.
All right, it did go fast, but at least I didn't get hit too bad. All right, $11. I didn't blow up my account. Dumb trading tonight. All right, let's see. Can I blow up my account? Let's find a different way. Dumb trading. Let's find a different way. 7 minutes into this 30-minute candle. How can I blow up my account? All right, so I don't want to blow up my account. I'm just teasing. But that's how stupid I feel right now. So I'm going to switch over to the... kind of want to stay in the NQ. I don't know why I'm feeling pretty good about the NQ tonight. NQ 5-minute. Looking at my other charts. Where I got the 5-minute up. All those different things. I mean, it looks good for a short right now. Overall, I think the next like couple hours is a long play, but I think right now it looks good for a short. I feel like getting short right now again. All right, so we came down. Came back up to retest the support area, which should become resistance. Showing resistance right now. I'm looking at a move back down here for a W pattern before breaking out. Or at least a higher low before breaking out to a higher high, if it's going to break out. I'm going to get short again. Let's see what I can afford. Let's trade off the 1 minute candle. All right, gapping up right there. Stop up here is 0.33. I'm in down here. 40 points. It's like a max loss day, but at least it's almost a max loss day. I can hold the trade. All right, let's do it. Sell, stop market, stop limit. I'm going to go with a limit order.
Order submitted.
All right, let's see if it wants to turn around. I'll start trailing green candles up, see when it wants to turn around. This is a short trade, and I'm confident this is a short trade right now. Going back to the 30. Now, if this starts to come all the way back up to go green, I will switch to the long side and look for a move back to the top of this. But let's put that order in right now. Buy, stop, limit.
Order submitted.
All right, so if it wants to go green, I'll definitely take that long trade for retracement back up here. Because that's a pretty big rejection. That's bullish big time if it does go green. Let's look at the 5 minute. Just retracing this candle right now. So I got this little rejection down here, retracing this candle. Do we see that, 2 or 3 bars in here and then a sell-off? But this is where this 30 minute goes green. So once this 30 minute candle is going to close, then I don't want to be in this order anymore. But if it wants to do that kind of rejection and close, or not, and go green, I'll take it for a scalp to the top side. Wait, I'm in a trade? I'm in a trade. What trade am I in? Over here, I see nothing. Do you see the numbers moving down here? I'm in a trade right now. I don't understand how I'm in a trade. All right, Ninja Trader orders. Let's see. Orders. Position. I am short 2 in MNQ right now. Wow, did I have an order open from earlier? I got an MNQ order. Close.
Order filled.
Wow. Well, there goes $80 right there. I'm like, why is that moving? There's no, what is happening? I was short the MNQ. I think it's a good short play, but not right now. I don't want to be short. Man, I just took an $80 hit there for nothing. Is that a sign, trader? Should I shut it down for the night? It's midnight. I should go to bed, right? Maybe I shouldn't be trading right now. I can't believe that MNQ order. All right, dumb trading. The theme continues. Let's get long. See what happens in dumb trading. So it looks like my account can go down to $50,150, and then it blows up. So right now I got about $900 of space. Can you go back to the 30 minute candle and just kind of take a look? Yep, let's look at that rejection coming back up. Looks like it wants to go green. Go back to the 5 real quick so I can manage this. Retrace this would be 8039.
Order filled.
Okay, but I'm into the long side now. Feel good about this trade. Feel good about that. That huge move down, then that big rejection up. All right. 3.9 is halfway of that other candle right there. All right, I'm going to lock in profits right
Order
here.
filled.
Okay, there we go. Let's go look at the 5 minute, see if we see anything. Yep. Oh, kind of coming into this support area potentially, but it's not the bottom of it yet. So it can come through here and still got room to go. About 20 to 30 points I can capture. Okay.
Order filled.
Sell stop
Order
market.
submitted.
All right, in short. I'm going to try to capture this as soon as it breaks through here again. Yeah, right here is the entry right there. A little bit higher. Would be the ideal short entry. Right there. Sell.
Order filled.
Okay, add it to my position.
Order submitted.
Okay, put that one contract in to take it out there.
Order filled.
All right, so got one contract out. Struggling to get down here. I may have to take this one off as well. And then get back in on a break. New 5-minute candle opens in a little bit. It's kind of a nice flag. You know, we had this big flagpole, flag, drop, flagpole, flagging, looking for a drop. Nope, doesn't want to go. I'll take it off right there, and I can always get back in. 1-minute candle close. Retrace going to get me out. It's fine.
Order filled.
Okay. Sell stop market. Sell stop limit.
Order submitted.
Clearly doesn't want to get below here right this moment, so put that one in. Buy stop market.
Order submitted.
Okay, looking for a rundown. Getting it. Buy stop
Order
market.
submitted.
All right, I'm going to put this in. Try to move over to the 5-minute. See if I can manage it better. Okay, getting into that zone I talked about earlier. I put that red line on it. Show it to you once I get done with this trade. 5-minute candle, new one just opened. Let's see if it can break through here and start to sell off. I have to take that profit, about $200. Struggling. I don't like that it's struggling right at that red line. All right, so now I'm up $389 after commissions for the evening. Let's look at that red line better. Right through here. That's what I was expecting. Run back to the top of this resistance area, becoming support, now potentially moving higher. And then what that does, let's put a line on the chart. We start to make our higher highs and our higher lows for a move on the way back up. We go back to the 60-minute. And we start to see that come back up. And then we get a bit of our W pattern here. Break above the W. Off to the races. Market's going higher tomorrow. So that is my prediction right now. If this can stay, I don't know that this is going to be the exact line. Could be here. Could be here. Could be somewhere in here. But my prediction is higher highs and higher lows. Market's higher tomorrow. So we'll see if I'm right. If I'm not going to be right, then this thing is going to consolidate for a while, and then we're going to break down for a lower day in the market tomorrow. Either way, I'm done trading. $389 for the evening. $51,532 in the account. I got to get to $53,000, so I'm $1,500 away. I wonder what happens if I make $1,500 tomorrow. Will they pass me? Or if I make $1,600 tomorrow? I wonder what will happen. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Whatever the market gives me, I'll take it. If it wants to give me $1,500 tomorrow, I'll take $1,500. If it wants to give me $5, then I'll take my $5. And if I got to pay, then I got to pay. All right, everybody. See you in the morning.